Have you ever dreamed of exploring the rich tapestry of Italy's vibrant cities? From the historic streets of Rome to the romantic canals of Venice, Italy is a treasure trove of cultural wonders waiting to be discovered. But before we dive into our list of the top 5 cities to visit in Italy, we want to hear from you. Which cities have you had the pleasure of exploring in this beautiful country? Share your experiences in the comments below and let us know which ones left a lasting impression on you. Now, let's embark on a journey through Italy's most captivating destinations. Number 5. Venice. Our journey begins in the enchanting city of Venice, where romance, history, and beauty converge along the iconic canals. Explore the winding streets of the historic center, marvel at architectural masterpieces like St. Mark's Basilica and the Doge's Palace, and experience the magic of a gondola ride along the Grand Canal. Venice's timeless charm and unique allure make it a must-visit destination for travelers seeking an unforgettable experience in Italy. Number 4. Florence. Next up, we have Florence, the birthplace of the Renaissance and a cultural mecca brimming with art, history, and architectural wonders. Immerse yourself in the city's rich artistic heritage as you explore world-renowned museums like the Uffizi Gallery and the Accademia Gallery, home to masterpieces by Michelangelo, Leonardo da Vinci, and Botticelli. Stroll across the iconic Ponte Vecchio, wander through charming piazzas, and savor the flavors of Tuscan cuisine at local trattorias. Florence's beauty and elegance make it a must-see destination for any traveler. Number 3. Milan. Moving on to Milan, the cosmopolitan capital of fashion and design, where modernity meets tradition in a captivating blend of culture and style. Discover iconic landmarks like the magnificent Duomo di Milano and the historic Sforza Castle, or indulge in some retail therapy along the glamorous Via Monte Napoleone. Explore the city's vibrant neighborhoods, admire contemporary art at the Fondazione Prada, and experience the lively atmosphere of Milan's bustling streets. Milan's dynamic energy and cultural richness make it a must-visit destination for travelers seeking a taste of modern Italy. Number 2. Rome. No visit to Italy would be complete without experiencing the timeless beauty and historic grandeur of Rome, the Eternal City, and the heart of the ancient world. Explore iconic landmarks like the Colosseum, Roman Forum, and Pantheon, marvel at the art and architecture of Vatican City, and toss a coin into the Trevi Fountain to ensure your return to Rome. Wander through charming cobblestone streets, savor authentic Roman cuisine at local trattorias, and immerse yourself in the city's vibrant culture and heritage. Rome's rich history and cultural significance make it a must-visit destination for any traveler. Number 1. Naples. Rounding out our list is Naples, a city steeped in history, culture, and culinary delights, where ancient ruins, stunning architecture, and mouth-watering cuisine await around every corner. Explore the ancient streets of the historic center, visit iconic landmarks like the Royal Palace of Naples and the Castel Nuovo, and marvel at panoramic views of the city and the bay from the hilltop neighborhood of Vomero. But perhaps the highlight of any visit to Naples is the opportunity to indulge in authentic Neapolitan pizza, considered by many to be the best in the world. Naples' vibrant atmosphere and rich cultural heritage make it a must-visit destination for travelers seeking an authentic Italian experience. There you have it, our top 5 cities to visit in Italy. Whether you're exploring the historic streets of Rome, admiring the art of Florence, or cruising the canals of Venice, Italy offers travelers a wealth of experiences just waiting to be discovered. Have you had the pleasure of visiting any of these cities? Share your experiences in the comments below and let us know your favorite memories and recommendations. If you enjoyed this video, Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy travels!